In this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in the rich text module in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here to your marketing, and then for this case, you can locate as well for the content your actual website. So just choose right here your website that you want to use. Choose the page that you want to edit. I'll edit right here my homepage. Now, once you're in there, the next thing you need to do is to click on this plus icon. So with this, you can just locate the rich text module. So expand the text and locate right here rich text. And then choose wherein you want to add it. Let's add right here a rich text and then let's add it beneath this. After that, you can add right here the content for the rich text that you have, as well as changing in here the styles that it currently has. So after you have done this, you can also insert right here a table onto the toolbar. So for this, just insert it, click onto this plus icon, and then search for table that you want to add. If you still have a rich text, you can also just edit it and then click on insert right here, and then add here to your special characters or anchors to create embeds and the likes. So enter content, and then after that, save and publish it once you're done. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.